Hello everyone. In this video we will show you how to install the box in a building. Once the product is received and ready to be installed, please unpack it. Inside the parcel, you will find a GSM antenna, a LoRaWAN antenna, an onboarding card, and the product. Plug the GSM and LoRaWAN antennas into their connectors. Make sure they are well tightened to avoid signal loss. Now the product is ready to be installed. It is recommended to install the product on a DIN rail like in an electrical cabinet with a circuit breaker and a stabilized power supply 24 VDC2A. On the side of the product, you will see a silver sticker where there is some information such as the hardware ID. On the Wattsense console, the hardware ID is used to identify and activate it. Install the product on the DIN rail. Connect the power supply and other network cables. Then power it. Check that the power LED is on. The heartbeat LED is blinking and the GSM LED is steady green. Wait until the GSM LED starts to blink. It indicates the product is connected to the carrier network. It might take approximately 2 minutes or more depending on the mobile coverage in the area. If the LED is still steady green, it means there is no mobile signal reaching it. Please find the best location or install an amplified GSM antenna. The product is connected and therefore the installation is done. Follow instructions on the info card you received in the package to activate the console.